Hello students, welcome to Shourabh's classes. So in this lecture we will be solving some questions of BBA past year, and mainly we will be focusing on the GK portion, that is the general knowledge portion. So let's start with our first question in this video. So here this is our question. Which of the following countries are separated by the Strait of Gibraltar? So here we have to find out which of these countries are separated by the Strait of Gibraltar. So here the options are Portugal and Morocco. Option B is Algeria and Spain, and option C is Morocco and Spain, and option D is Algeria and Portugal. So these are the four options. Now let me tell you, the Strait of Gibraltar that is a narrow strait that connects the Atlantic Ocean to the Mediterranean Sea. So Mediterranean Sea. So here this is connected. Now after this, it separates Gibraltar and the peninsular Spain. But where it separates? It separates in Europe. From Morocco to and Ceuta in Africa. So this is the structure. So here clearly our answer will be option C, that is Morocco and Spain. So this is our answer. Okay, so here I am taking option C, Morocco and Spain. Okay, so now let's go to the next question. So here the question is about the Dadasaheb Phalke Award, and in which year Dadasaheb Phalke Award was instituted. So Dadasaheb Phalke Award is actually a cinematographical institute and award, and that is a most high award in cinema instituted, and that is in the year of 1969, and it is presented annually at the National Film Award ceremony. Okay, and that is held by the Directorate of Film Festival and organization set up by the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. So here the answer will be option D, that is 1969. So thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, press the thumbs up button. If you have any query, please comment in the below section, and also you can share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching.